When you look up at the stars, what do you think about? That we maybe not be alone? The vastness of it all? The sheer vastness of it, along with the trillions upon trillions of objects in the many billion galaxies of the universe, is almost incomprehensible to the human brain. There's a lot to wonder about space. The fact is, we don't know all the answers about it. We know it's vast and beautiful, but we're not really sure how big it is. However, I've collected some of the most amazing facts about space. 1. If you could stand at the Martian equator, the temperature at your feet would be like a warm spring day, but at your head it would be freezing cold. 2. Craters at the Moon's south pole may be the frostiest locale in the entire solar system. In the permanently shadowed crater floors, daytime temperatures may never rise above -238 degrees Celsius. 3. If you could lump together all the thousands of known asteroids in our solar system, their total mass wouldn't even equal 10% of the mass of Earth's moon. 4. Ceres is the largest, most massive body in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, totaling about a third of the total mass of the entire belt. But Ceres is the smallest of the dwarf planets, which include Pluto and Eris, and the only dwarf planet that resides in the asteroid belt. 5. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This amazing effect is called cold welding. It happens because the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing that they are different pieces of metal, so the lumps join together. This wouldn't happen on Earth because there is air and water separating the pieces. The effect has a lot of implication for spacecraft construction and the future of metal-based construction in vacuums. 6. Jupiter's famous red spot has been shrinking over the past few decades. This spot on the planet is a giant spinning storm that used to be able to fit about 3 Earths. Now, according to only 1 Earth can fit inside the spot. Interestingly enough, as the storm is shrinking in width, it's actually growing taller in length. 7. More energy from the sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. There's a lot of energy in the sun. The use of solar energy has increased at a rate of 20% each year for the past 15 years. According to Yale Environment 360, the world added 30% more solar energy capacity in 2017, meaning that 98.9 gigawatts of solar energy was produced that year. Despite seemingly large number, this amount of energy only accounts for 0.7% of the world's annual electricity usage. 8. There is floating water in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light-years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. 9. Any free-moving liquid in outer space will form itself into a sphere. Liquid in space. This is because of something called surface tension, which is an imbalance of intermolecular attractive forces. This can also occur in low Earth orbit. 10. We always see the same side of the moon, no matter where we stand on Earth. This is because the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it rotates the Earth. It is known as synchronous rotation or tidal locking. Finally, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.